Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Business Ethics. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. In week 4, we're going to be taking a look at chapter 2, which is looking at moral analysis and economic outcomes. It's very, very important to read chapter 2 and possibly do one of the case studies, because you have a total of 3 that do throughout the class. We also have a discussion board pose. So we have a video that talks about the difference between money and ethics. And it compares a couple different things and causes you to really think through different items. So I definitely encourage you to watch that video. We also have the discussion board post, which we have all these different questions here for you guys to look at and respond to. I will respond back as much as possible. We also have that case study, so you can definitely pick any case study you'd like in the book. We have, you have to do 3 of those for a total of 100 points. So I would definitely go ahead and get one out of the way if you had a chance this week. Definitely look at the point spread here. You want to have 80 points on your full answer the scenarios and 20 points for grammar and logic. So we want to definitely have a coherent paper. But that's kind of what we're looking at this week. If you guys have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help out. Thanks.